In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify Sample Order. By the end, you'll know exactly how to order a sample of your design so you can check quality, fit, and color before selling to customers. Start by opening your browser and searching for Printify. Click the official Printify website in the results. You should see the trusted domain and a secure connection indicator. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you land on your dashboard. Having your payment method ready will make checkout smoother later on. From the dashboard, head to the catalog. This is where you can browse all available products and print providers. Take a moment to explore options for apparel, accessories, home goods, and more. Look at details like available sizes, color ranges, material descriptions, and estimated production times from different providers. Choose an item that matches your brand and your customer's needs. Upload your design to the product editor. For best results, use a high-resolution file, ideally a 300 dpi PNG with a transparent background if you need clean edges. Place your artwork within the safe print area, align it precisely, and scale it to the intended print size. If the product offers multiple print areas, review each one. Use the mock-up preview to check how your design looks on different colors and angles, and adjust until you're happy. When you're satisfied, click Save Product. You do not need to publish it to a store to order a sample. Saving is enough to create it in your account. Next, go to the My Products tab in your Printify dashboard. Find the item you want to test and look to the right side of the product row for the Create Order button. Click it, then select Sample from the drop-down menu. This tells Printify you're placing a test order rather than fulfilling a customer purchase. Choose the specific size and color variant you want to receive. If you're testing apparel, pick the size you or your model will actually wear and the color you expect to sell most. Double-check your artwork placement on that exact variant. Enter your shipping address carefully and select a shipping method. Standard shipping is often the best value, while expedited options get your sample faster at a higher cost. Review the delivery estimate shown for your location. Click Proceed to Payment. You will pay the base product price plus shipping. You do not pay the retail price you set for customers. The cost is charged to your linked credit card or drawn from your Printify balance. Confirm your order and you're done. Use the sample to assess print quality, color accuracy, and overall feel before you move forward with selling.